Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc, and today I'll show you how to scan documents using the Notes app on your iPhone. This feature is built right into iOS, so you don't need any extra apps. Let's go through how it works. First, open the Notes app. You can either start a new note or select an existing one where you want to save your scan. This keeps everything organized, so your scanned documents are stored exactly where you need them. Next, tap the camera icon above the keyboard or in the toolbar and choose Scan Documents from the menu. Your iPhone will switch to scanning mode, and you're ready to capture your document. Hold your iPhone over the document, and the camera will automatically detect and scan it. If for some reason it doesn't capture right away, you can manually press the shutter button to take the scan yourself. The app does a good job of detecting the edges, but if needed, you can adjust the corners to crop it properly. Once everything looks right, tap Keep Scan to confirm. If you need to scan multiple pages, just repeat the process for each page. Once you're done, tap Save, and the scanned document will be inserted directly into your note. From there, you can mark it up with annotations, share it with others, or even convert it into a PDF for easy access later. It's a simple and efficient way to scan documents without needing a separate scanner. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you later.